Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I got my delivery. It won't be the same day you see this, but anyways, I got a few cans of the potato shreds. I know some people have said that I could get this at Costco for cheaper, like Alaska Prepper does. I don't have a Costco near me, and I don't have a way to get there. I have done a few of them myself, but it's just really easy to keep or get one of these once in a while, especially when they're over 50% off. So I picked up a couple of these to use up some of my extra stimulus money, because who knows when they're going to end that. And then I also picked up a few, I only brought one of them out, but I picked up a few of the vegetable stew blend when they were on sale too, because it's going to be really handy eventually. And I got this for and they're magnetic. This one is like for the refrigerator, and this one goes on my pressure cooker XL on the side, which is also magnetic, and it has all the things for the cook times and liquid ratios and things like that. All the things that you're going to need to use it is handy right on the side of it, so I don't have to go looking for the information. So I was happy about that, because this is all new to me, so that way I don't have to go try to find something, which, can sometimes be a pain. So it's got every category. It's got pastas and grains, seafood and fish, pork, beans and legumes, vegetables, chicken, beef, and other meats. And the other one is just a mini version of the big one. And K-Bear is right there right now. She has been very tired. Today is a little bit cooler. By the time you see this, the temperatures will be back up in the 90s and hot. They're still working on my air conditioning, trying to get that approved. He is really backlogged. He is getting closer to mine, so hopefully we can get that soon. Besides that, we are doing what we can. We are getting prepared again for the heat. I can also go downstairs like I did before. But so that's the updates, along with what I picked up. I also ordered a couple of things of toilet paper, which I didn't think we needed to have in the video, but that's also something I picked up. There was a firework. I don't know if you heard that. We've been able to see a few of them out our window. But K-Bear's not too fazed by them. She never has been. But I'm not exactly sure how she's going to react this year, being 16. But if we have to, we'll shut the doors and go downstairs during the time that they're really loud. Alright, I think we've caught up with everything. Have a blessed day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe, cool, and or warm, depending on where you live. God bless. See you next time. Bye for now.